Would you call yourself a reseller?
Yeah, I would. I'm a collector reseller.
Collector reseller. That's the new age reseller, you know? What up, guys? So right now I'm actually waiting on the side of the road. Well, not really on the side of the road. I'm in front of my homie's barbershop, waiting to get cut right now before we start filming later on. But a lot of people have been asking about the perm lately. It's nothing different than what I've been doing for the past couple years. But the only thing that I changed was the size of the curls. I get them like smaller now. So now the hair's not wavy. It's actually like more curly than it is wavy, because I feel like the wavy ones tend to not really last that long. So now I get the smaller curls. But other than that, man, you know, just waiting to get cut. We're gonna be filming House of Hype later. I think that might be him pulling up. Let's see. Yo, so I'm just waiting for my haircut right now. Is this Sky Pilot's twin? Yo, he's barking at the dog on the TV. That's crazy. So we're running kind of late right now. You know, we got the haircut though. Shout out to John. Let's head to the office. Also, I'm bringing my little nephew to work. I've been bringing him since he is on summer break. You ready to go to the office? Say, let's get it.
Let's get it.
So we just got to the office. Let's see who's here. What up, Mom? Be Ryder over here? They were saying you look like some soccer player in the last video that we did. What's up, man? Is this another intern?
Another intern.
All right, man. So what do you got going on right now? What are you wearing, man? You got the CDG.
I got the Ape, the Japan exclusive, some PacSun, the stress denim. You know, like first day with Richie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Those are really clean. I like when these are really beat up.
Yeah, they're a little beat up.
All right, man. Everybody, welcome Alex to the team. He might be editing for us, so I'm excited. Andrew knows exactly where he's at, because he got the Richie Le collection shorts on. I might still rock it.
So Richie's been wanting a white Sonics jersey, and I'm OfferUp king. You know, I'll be on OfferUp a lot. I got a little bundle. I picked up the Sonics jersey, but I'm not sure if it was real or not. It's a thought that counts, right?
Did I just hear you said my man's hasn't got the concept of if it's too good to be true?
That's just what it is, man, especially when it comes to clothes.
We were just talking about these KITH Adidas right here.
Oh, sleepers, you know.
How much are they?
I got it for like $140.
$140?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. They didn't sell out?
They did sell out.
But yeah, we're just taking a break right now from filming House of Hype. How do you guys think it's going?
Great. A lot of stuff that's a little different than last episode.
Yeah.
I want to know what y'all want us to talk about. This part's about y'all. What y'all want to hear?
All right, guys. So shout out to Mary and Jacob for picking up lunch today. The good old classic Costco. We got the chicken bakes, and then we got the pepperoni. I actually like cheese over pepperoni.
I'm with you.
Is that popular opinion or non-popular? I don't like pepperoni, man. Can we have a little survey in the comments? Cheese pizza or pepperoni? Guys, so we just wrapped up filming House of Hype, and the boy Brandon says he has some stuff in his car that he was gonna sell to Lucky Dog. Let's go check it out.
Check it out.
Would you call yourself a reseller?
Yeah, I would. I'm a collector reseller.
Collector reseller. That's the new age reseller, you know? Okay, so how much is the shrimp ramen reselling for?
Let me get a box of this for the low.
Like $1 a piece.
Is that a Supreme collaboration right there?
Yes.
Okay, is this the new whip?
New whip.
Shout out to you, man.
Got the shoulder bag.
Okay.
I actually wanted that white one.
Oh, the Murakami. You have the Murakami.
Okay. Can Lena buy both items you just showed?
You give discount.
What else you got?
Bait piece is pretty dope.
That's hot.
Does your friend
Okay,
look
That
okay?
embroidery right there, that quality. This is a friends and family Travis Scott sample.
That's hot.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You really like everything.
You should wear
I
that.
like everything.
This is kind of fly though.
Man, shout out to Brandon.
Large, extra large.
Large.
You would really rock that, huh? Down to
Show
earth.
you though.
That is.
I would. You know I would.
This is so cute. Sold.
It's also
A little box logo tank top, you know.
Nice.
It's so packed in here.
It's
It's just crazy.
All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit up Brandon's IG if you guys are looking to cop some stuff.
Large and extra large. Shoes,
Yeah, they
like
already know
size
you. We
12.
did
Hey
the,
man, I think I'm gonna have to cop this. I'm gonna have to cop.
We can talk.
All right, this guy just came through with the whipped cream and the strawberries.
Strawberries and cream, baby. You know,
Strawberries
that's a
and
hot summer
cream.
day.
I thought it was peaches and cream, man.
I like strawberries.
Strawberries and cream. We got Ralph right here. What do you got on, man?
Good. I got these Air Max ones, a little bit dirty.
And then you got the Sean Weatherspoon pin. And then, oh man, I had to bring out the Lakers right here. We call these the Lakers. With the same cargos I was wearing the other day. But right now, what came in the mail, very special. Where is it? All right, guys. Dreamt of this day for a lot of nights. All right, so they sent a letter from the CEO of YouTube. You're bigger than Vancouver.
You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined this day for a long time.
So earlier I was telling you about the 1 milli. Hopefully we can make it one day. 1 million subscribers right here. You get a big ol', what is this, gold? Kind of looks rose gold. Or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match. Boring. Your inspiration for everything we do. Susan. Shout out to Susan, man.
Is it personally signed too?
No.
Oh.
Wow. All right, so here it is, 1 million. We did it. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for the support out there. 1 million, man. We still got a long ways to go. Like we said, we're not getting comfortable. This is fake. Thank you. Piece of
Heavy
chocolate.
too. It's not fake. You know, it's real gold.
Right now we are watching the first video ever of the Ace family. Right now during lunch. What do you guys think?
Right now, we're just trying to analyze the channel.
Can you guys let us know in the comments down below what made the Ace family gain 17 million subs in 3 years? That is crazy. We're over here celebrating 1 mil like we done made it. You know, like, shout out to them, man. So Gabe and I were just getting some work done at the office, and then we got this email about a luau going on in our property. Basically, they are hosting a luau today with free lunch and everything. So we are driving up, and we're gonna see how this is.
Hopefully some nice free shaved ice.
Oh, right there, it's right here. So far, luau vibes.
Look a little dead.
We are a little late,
Yeah,
but
we are a little
damn,
late.
there's not even one person here.
Smell good. I smell the pulled pork.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, so we're at the luau right now, and
Very festive.
very festive. Yeah. Well, we're asking some of the food truck workers if there was a lot of people earlier, and they're like, not really. But you know, you gotta appreciate the office even trying, you know?
Yeah.
This guy's been trying to entertain, so you gotta give him props for entertaining right here. I thought that was the radio.
No, me too. I
thought it was the radio?
Disney soundtrack played.
Disney soundtrack. He was actually throwing the live band vibes over here, ukulele and all that. Hey man, you can't be mad at the guy trying to, you know, just provide some entertainment. Shout out to the guy with the ukulele over here, live. What is going on, guys? Early in the morning, man. I am super tired. We are waiting for Tang and Johnny to come over right now for Hype Talk and the rest of the crew. But I just gotta say thank you to you guys for all the support lately. You know, with the whole new office and everything, the new segments, the new talent. You guys have been showing a lot of love. And I just wanna let you guys know we got Richie Le Collection clothing is gonna be crazy. Trust me. When I tell you, like, I know I say this every season, but this is like the season where I cannot even wait for the clothes to get in your guys' hands. So just I think they're here. Hold on. What up, man? Yeah, brother. So like I was saying, man, shout out to you guys for the support lately. Richie Le Collection is gonna be crazy. What is this? Where'd you get this t-shirt?
You know, my little offer up finds.
Offer of finds?
I'm not sure how vintage it is. Okay, all you vintage heads out there.
I think I heard you say you're the vintage king the other day.
No, I never said that.
Oh, no, not vintage king. Offer up king.
But you know, sometimes you gotta take your L's. That jersey might
Wow. All right, so Johnny got me this Sonics jersey. The silk was a little too soft.
You might wash it one time, it might not come out.
Hey man, I gotta I was gonna unbox these right now for this
You want me to hold it while you unbox
Sure.
it? Yeah, man, you getting real good at this, man.
You know in Hype Talk we were saying, what did we say about these?
What you got?
Force?
I ain't feeling them.
They might be better than the bread force.
No, you sound like Tan right now. You sound like Tan right now.
Come on, man. Bam!
Those look exactly like when they first came out.
Exactly. We were saying we didn't want the shade of gray to be too light.
I literally just got taken back to like what, 2008 when these came out?
I don't even know. I'm gonna have to go and say I like these because the suede right here is not as like thick as the bread force. The bread force is a little too like cowhide. You know, this is more like nice nubuck upper.
Tan, I'm sorry, you're right.
You were right, bro.
You're right, bro.
You were right.
These right here, probably one of my favorite non-OG.
I was gonna say.
Back in the day, don't say you like these.
Nope.
And I got them on Sneakers app 20 minutes after they dropped too.
I heard they were sitting.
They were sitting for a little bit. People sleeping right now. So I got the full gray fours right here. Sauce the laces up a little bit. Let me see how they look with the. Oh, don't do it to 'em, man. These are clean. With the pants too, the John Elliott Himalayan pants. You guys were asking about these a lot. All right, so if you guys are wondering how we get all that energy on Hype Talk,
Richie got the bite size. Richie got the bite size for the bite size.
A breakfast like this, man. A little mini cupcake and then a Red Bull. Hold on, we're listening to the new Rick Ross right now.
Rick Ross.
Johnny likes how he says something.
I told her she gotta make love to me like I'm an emperor.
Yo, we got the Flannel King right now. Can you give him a little sneak peek of what we're working on right now?
Obviously, you know, we had to step it up on the flannels.
I'm not gonna lie, the outfit looking fresh.
Hey, Off-Road King, the hat.
Oh, that's where you got the hat? Johnny got this hat from OfferUp, and then he was sad that it was fake, but it don't even matter. It's like bootleg, you know?
It's a gas station vintage bootleg.
Yeah, so it's not a fake. It's just not sports specialties.
That doesn't make sense.
When I first
fake. It's just from back in the day.
So I'm taking a look at the KITH collaboration right now.
That bottle shirt is crazy.
That one sold out first, I heard. Yeah. The white one was still available 30 minutes ago when I checked. The black one sold out first, but this one was available. But I can't justify the price, my God. 160 bucks. That's crazy. Would you rock the shorts? They still got the shorts in XL.
Check it out. Let me check it out.
He ain't rocking those things.
Hey, don't put him in a box, man.
Don't put me in a box.
Don't put him in a box, man. Big dudes don't like.
I don't like being in a box.
Put it in the cart. Add the cart.
I actually got a pair of, cheaper alternatives. We're big on cheaper returns. I got a Coca-Cola swimming trunks from Forever 21 for $12.90.
There you go. But I saw this one video, man, they opened a KITH in Hawaii recently.
Wow.
To drop the latest surfboards and all.
Bro, the line was bananas.
That was a good move.
It was bananas.
They spent money out on Oahu, man.
I'm really excited to go. I'm going tomorrow, so. Philippines? You gonna hit up any stores in Manila?
Oh man, I'm gonna be in Cebu. I'm going
Cebu!
Oh yeah.
We got lunch.
My boy moving fast.
You guys went with the chicken orders. Yeah. I had to get on the chicken order myself.
I'm trying to go with a little lighter route now, Rich.
Man, they've been saying you've been hitting the jizz.
I'm trying to, man. I was actually sloughing a little bit. I'm back on it now.
Back on it?
I'm back on it again, man. Officially back on it, man.
Don't do it like this guy. I'm gonna hit it hard in winter.
That face that you make.
I'm gonna hit it hard in the summer.
No. Summertime is harder to do hard.
It is. I agree, because you want to have fun.
And you want to eat what you want to eat. In the fall and winter time, I'm cool with the chicken breast and broccoli and brown rice. Like right now, I
but that's holiday season. That's holidays. Come on.
When are you gonna be strict on yourself?
Huh?
Summertime?
I've been strict. What you talking about, boy?
You were doing really well with the keto. I'm not
What you talking about, son?
Y'all want to know something about Tang? He loves the sauces, man.
Sauce station over
It's
here.
just boring if you just keep dipping the same sauce.
Habit, best ranch ever.
Yep.
Best ranch.
Extra creamy. We don't do Hidden Valley around here.
Come on, man. We don't say that name.
But if y'all want to throw a brand deal our way, oh man.
So I was just about to pack for Hawaii, and this whole time I had this huge Herschel package, all right? So I had this box that was outside of this box, and I thought the whole time that it was actually luggage, because they told me they were gonna send me luggage, and it's actually a bear brick. I was not expecting them to send me a bear brick, so let's check this thing out. Dang! I've never owned a bear brick this size. That is pretty dope right there. How's it look?
Pretty big.
That is pretty cool.
What is he wearing? A backpack?
Oh, no, he's
Backpack.
wearing a backpack because that's what they do. They're known for backpacks. All right, big shout out to Herschel. If you can though, can you send us a big luggage? We need one.